Hey everyone, LG UltraGear 27G850A gaming monitor is now available in the US and UK following its earlier release in China, Japan, and Europe. Designed for high-end gamers, it boasts advanced specifications and adaptive display technology, making it a compelling option for those seeking top-tier performance. Currently, the monitor is exclusively available through Amazon, with a price tag of $799 in the US. One of the standout features of the 27G850A is its Nano IPS Black panel, developed by LG Display, which offers a contrast ratio of 2,000 to 1. This is twice the contrast of standard IPS panels, resulting in deeper blacks and improved image depth. What sets this monitor apart from many others is its dual-mode capability, allowing users to switch between two distinct performance settings, a 4K resolution at 240 Hz for high-fidelity gaming, or a reduced 1080p resolution at a blazing fast 480 Hz. When operating in 480 Hz mode, the active screen size shrinks to 24 inches, making it a specialized mode aimed at competitive gamers who prioritize speed over screen real estate. Adaptive sync technology is well supported on this display, ensuring a smooth and tear-free gaming experience. The monitor is compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync, VISA Adaptive Sync, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, allowing for seamless synchronization with a variety of GPUs. Color accuracy is another strong suit of the 27G850A, as it covers 99% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut and features a 10-bit color depth, ensuring vibrant and lifelike visuals. The panel also delivers exceptional brightness, with a peak of 670 nits in HDR mode and 450 nits in SDR, further enhancing the overall image quality. Additionally, it comes with factory-calibrated color accuracy at the hardware level, ensuring reliable performance for professional users and content creators. Despite its impressive specifications, the monitor does have some technical limitations. While it includes a DisplayPort 2.1 interface, it is restricted to UHBR 13.5 bandwidth, meaning it cannot handle uncompressed 4K at 240 Hz. This limitation may be a drawback for users expecting full uncompressed performance at maximum resolution and refresh rate. However, other connectivity options are plentiful, with a built-in USB hub, 2 HDMI ports, and a DTS Headphone X compatible audio jack for immersive sound output. Ergonomics are well addressed with an adjustable stand that supports tilt, height, swivel, and pivot functions, ensuring flexibility for different gaming and workstation setups. Overall, the LG UltraGear 27G850A is a powerful and versatile gaming monitor that blends high refresh rates, strong color accuracy, and deep contrast. While its pricing places it in the premium category, the combination of dual-mode performance, Nano IPS Black technology, and adaptive sync support makes it a strong contender for gamers and professionals who demand the best display experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.